Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption not working on Android through Netflix. Now this issue can include the game not opening, crashing or showing an error. First of all, you need to make sure that you are logged in the Netflix application with an active subscription. Netflix games only work if your account is active and signed in correctly. Next, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, simply look for the option of the search icon and search for Netflix. If you see this type of update button right next to it, you just have to update your Netflix application and the Red Dead Redemption will also be updated to the latest version. The old versions often cause the launch problems, so make sure that you are using the latest version of these two applications. Now, in the next step, you need to go to the settings of your device. In the settings, just scroll down and tap on the option of apps. In the apps, tap on the option of app management. Now you can either look for the option of Netflix here in the search bar, or you can directly look for Red Dead Redemption application. Once you are inside, click on the option of storage usage. Over here, tap on the option of clear cache. Do not clear the data, only clear the cache. After that, check your internet connection too. You can switch between Wi-Fi and the mobile data once to refresh the network. A weak connection can stop the game from loading. So once you've done all of these settings, simply just long press the power button of your phone. This is going to open the restart pop-up in front of you. So you just have to restart your device first. After restarting the device, open the Netflix application directly on your home screen. Then open Red Dead Redemption and see if it is working properly or not. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.